Welcome back. This is the ballistic pendulum machine we'll be using. Here's our pendulum. And this guy I earlier went ahead and masked out. And this guy comes in at, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? 62.5 grams. So this guy is 62.5 grams. So that'd be the what I was calling M2 in my equation. M2 being the pendulum, M1 being the ball bearing. So let's put this back on.
Do they need to know how much the ball bearing is?
I'll get there.
Okay.
This ball bearing comes in at, measured at school earlier, 8.4 grams. So this guy is 8.4 grams. So again, 62.5 grams, 8.4 grams. Another thing you need to know is what is the length of the arm here. You know, if I go from the center of the pendulum up to its pivot point, let's see, it goes from 7 to 30. So it looks like the lever, the pendulum length, is 23 centimeters. 30 minus 7, 23 centimeters. Now what's going to happen is we're going to take the ball bearing, we're going to shoot it out of this gun, and what's going to do is give us a swing, and of course it'll give us then a deflection, how much angle of energy was used up. And that's we're going to use that for the final equation. Okay. So, like I said, it's not a whole lot more to it other than arm it. Ow! Broke a nail. Arm it.
By the way, the pendulum is backwards.
What? Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And it says we're going to do this 5 times. And do an average of the deflections. Okay, so number 1. Looks like it went up to like a 20, was what, a 19? That was 1. Write that down. Staying there.
Put the thing down.
Oh yeah. You set the angle. Shoot it again. Okay, that might came back. Looks like it went to about 21 and a half, 22. Arm. Load. Fire. That looked like a little wonky. I'm not going to count that one. Happens sometimes. What did that guy get up to? 25 degrees? Two more. Another 22. One more. Last one.
21.
21 again? 21? Nice, this says 21 degrees. Alright, 21 degrees. So it looks like we got 19, 22, 25, 22, 21. For, let's see, 9, 10, 15, 19, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 109 divided by 5 for 20. 21.8.